Multiply 24.5 by 3.2 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. The first partial product is 490. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 7. The second partial product is 7,350. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 3 plus the carried 1 is 8. In the thousands column, bring down 7. The product of the whole numbers is 7,840. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 7,840 becomes 78.40. That is simply 78.4. So 24.5 times 3.2 is 78.4.